he really believes in, again, what we're all doing here, and that level of investment, when that camera rolls between action and cut, you have one shot to give it all you got for an audience to be thrilled all around the world. And it's a really big responsibility. It's really cool. It's one that I didn't take lightly. So, look, I don't have the insurance plan to be Tom Cruise. I'm not trying to be Tom Cruise, but I will say I learned so much from him on how to properly do an action movie on this one. And I really am so grateful that, again, for the way he's just really important. Also how to open a movie around the world and how to talk to you guys and receive information and feedback on how we can all kind of do this together. He really believes in the team sport of it all, which is really amazing. And investment, hard work, let's do it for the audience. That's it.